Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the DC Anvil TX Sneakers. DC Shoes was founded in 1944 and has quickly become popular throughout the skateboarding and action sports industry. Now this is the original box for it. As you can see, there's a label showing you your specific shoe color, the series, as well as your size. So that should always be on the box, showing you information on the shoes. And we're going to unwrap it now. And these are the Anvil TX series, guys. Looks very bright in color, very smart, looks very elegant. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. These are definitely an eye catcher, very attractive. So we're going to place the box there. Now guys, as you can see, both of them have different lace styles, which are unique. And I've done this, the purpose of this video, so you guys can see which looks better on your DC sneakers. Most of the DC sneakers have the lace type on the right, and some of them prefer the lace style on the left. So this is for you to see whichever lace style suits you. Now, as you can see, the shoes are very bright indeed. They do have a good weight to it. Doesn't feel cheaply made at all, or doesn't feel light. Definitely feels strong. It has a cool white soles. This specific model, the Anvil TX, has a blue line running around the top of the sole. As you saw, the front has a rigid effect in case you kick anything by mistake, to give you that protective padding for your shoe as well as your feet. On the left you have one DC label, and at the back you have another DC label. The fabric just feels incredible, guys. The shoe does not feel flimsy at all. Now this model Anvil TX comes in many different colors. As you can see, the different lines and designs of the shoe. A very bright color. The soles are very strong. As you can see, the DC label marked on the shoe. The design at the back to comfort your feet at the back. You have a DC sneaker label on the inside of the shoe, on the inner soles. On the tongue of the shoe, you have a DC logo with your information pertaining to your shoe, such as your shoe size, etc. A very strong shoe indeed. And now you can see the underneath has a unique design to comfort your feet and to be strong and durable, as well as a DC logo embedded underneath of the shoe on the soles. An excellent choice to make, guys. One of the strongest quality brands out there. And these are your DC Anvil TX sneakers, guys.